If you are watching this before December the 12th or 12/12, the message is meant to find you. And I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Four of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Queen of Swords. So, meron ditong energy. It could be you, it could be your person. Parang sabi niya, um, hindi na ako magiging ganun ka-generous katulad ng dati. I'm going to somewhat, reserve something for myself. I think meron ditong nainis, meron na nabwisit, nagalit, na-disappoint. Merong gustong turuan ng leksyon, no, yung kanyang person. Hindi naman yung totally yung brutal na papahirapan kita, no. Siguro this is, sabihin natin, I'm not going to always assist you, no. Kumbaga parang sa bata, no, hahayaan kitang madapa, no, kung yung person mo is trying, no, to actually, katulad ng baby, trying to walk. Part of learning is yung mapaupo, madapa, no. You're not going to be the knight in shining armor, no. So they cannot always play this damsel in distress. Nandun yung love, syempre, nandun pa rin. Pero you're not going to be the savior, no, palagi. Siguro napansin mo dito meron pamimihasa, meron ditong, let's say, pagta-take advantage, no, ng lakas, ng energy. It could be the lakas per se when it comes to talino, lakas per se when it comes to monetary, lakas per se with regard to the literal, yung lakas, yung katawan, manpower, no? The Seven of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. So, Seven of Swords, para kasing naging complacent, no, itong si person. Nakakita tayo ng siguro na ipakita talaga natin, no, na itong ating person ay talagang mahal-mahal natin. Binigay natin lahat. We almost placed the person in a pedestal. We did everything, no. Kumbaga, walang inhibitions. You lay down the cards. Ito yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Tapos nakita mo kasi parang si person is naging complacent nga, no? And parang lumaki yung ulo na you're always gonna be there. Somewhat either narinig natin, nakita natin, nakipaglandian, merong, wala namang relasyon so far, at least na ito yata yung naagapan mo. Pero the mere fact na pwedeng exchanging of numbers, merong usapan na hindi maganda, you probably caught this person and you're kind of like waiting for this person to actually said it, no? Say it, na ano ba talaga yung nangyayari, no? Sino ba ito? And I feel like hindi mo siya sinabi, hindi mo siya tinanong, pero you withdraw, no? You withdraw your energy to the dynamic. So this is a TikTok exclusive as well. So please make sure na napapanood nyo ito sa nag-iisang account ko sa TikTok, kasi pag sinearch nyo dun sa search bar, ang daming Babaylan TV, no? So ang ang account ko lang doon is merong 219,000 followers and 1.7 million likes, no? Apart from that, I'm not associated, wala akong with other Babaylan TV dahil hindi ako yon, no? They are just getting my videos and pretending to be me. So okay lang kung ginagamit yung video for, a re-repost, wala tayong problema doon. But if someone is going to pretend to be me, that's a different story. It's my reputation, it's my name on at stake. So please make sure, no, na hindi rin ako kumakausap. Hindi ako nagpa-first message, no? So that's a giveaway kapag may nag-message sa inyo. I'm also gonna post this sa ating Facebook, no? Meron tayong 79,000 followers and 1.7 million likes. And meron siyang blue check mark rather. So yun lang din ang aking account doon. Let's go back to the reading. Seven of Swords is clarified with the 9 of Pentacles and the 6 of Swords. So, chances are parang ginagawa mo dito, pretending na wala akong alam, no? Pretending na siguro din, um, parang gusto mong ilabas sa kanya, sa bunganga niya mismo manggalit, no? Kung ano talaga yung ginawa niya. So, meron tayo dito acting-actingan, no? Tanga-tangahan acting of, School of Acting. Bakit bigla kang, kunyari tinatanong sa in person, bakit bigla kang nanlamig sa akin? Hindi, bakit meron ka bang ginawa sa akin para manlamig ako sa'yo, no? Yung mga ganong mga pasakalye is I feel like lumalabas na yan sa bibig mo, no? With the Five of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Page of Cups. So, I feel like may takot, no? Si person, manghihingi ng apology, whether this is kasi the Hierophant, the Hierophant can be a person who can apologize without thinking that they are less of a person. So, parang meron ditong truth na lalabas na pasensya na, hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko. Yes, may kinausap ko, pero for sure, hindi ko na uulitin, I'm going to block this person, blah, blah, yada, yada. Wala talagang nangyari, no? It's the mere fact that we have like exchange of communications and that's it. I'm really sorry with the Hierophant in here, no, na I'm going to make sure that I'm also going to give you the security with the Five of Swords, and I won't let this happen, and I won't make you feel that you have to doubt me um, in the future. Pero mahirap yon kasi the mere fact na nagawa niya na, no? So mahihirapan siya pero susubukan niya that your person is going to put your mind at ease and give you your peace of mind. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede rin naman lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign dito. Pisces, Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra. Libra is very dominant, no? Capricorn, Aquarius, I am seeing Sagittarius, I am seeing Scorpio, and Cancer. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.